Hey everyone, this is Greg with Credit Assist, and I just want to tell you very quickly about information that is going to help a lot of people. It's helped me personally, and that is our free, 100% free Credit Assist Help Tips. It's going to help you with everything you see here on the screen. We're going to send you information about late payments, how to help with collections, stop bill collectors from calling you. We send you tips to help you do all of these things. Charge off bankruptcies, judgments, liens, inquiries, late payments. We even help you fix your credit report, get negative information removed. We're going to send you tips about everything. And as a free gift, a free bonus just for signing up, you're going to get our ebook, Understanding Your Credit. This guide teaches you the very basics about credit. None of us was really taught how credit works to begin with. It has a lot to do with why we do get in trouble with credit. And this is going to teach you the basics about how to read a credit report, how credit cards work, the effects of late payments, information about bankruptcy, student loans, and much more. This ebook guide is on the internet now, elsewhere. It sells for $19.99, but you're going to get it absolutely free as a gift just for signing up.